Hello everybody. In this tutorial I show you how to create out of this skeletal mesh dead bodies which you can lay on the ground and on your surface. So you can do it with every skeletal mesh in your scene. So you can use, I use this zombie here, but you can use also your default Unreal Engine skeleton mesh many for the simulation of dead bodies. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, I copied this skeletal mesh from the source and duplicated it in a new folder. In my case, it's the Dead Body Animations folder. And now the next thing is you have to drag and drop it in your scene like this. And you have to duplicate it again. So I hold Alt and left mouse button and click on it and duplicate it like this. And now we have to search for, or I've already done it in the detail panel for simulate physics. So when I press play, simulate this level, the character or the skeletal mesh falls on the ground. And this right now is the position which I can save. So for that, I hit here on pause. And the next thing is you have to select your skeleton mesh. I will use this one here right now. Click on it with the left mouse button, and now you have to right click on it. And here the last options, keep simulation changes. Click on it. And would you like to save animations from simulation for skeleton mesh actor 4? Hit yes. And now you have to search for your place where you want to save the animations. So like I said, I have already a folder, so I go to save created things, and here inside under dead body animations, and I hit end after duration to true. Oh no, sorry, false. But I hit here 12 FPS. And if an is recording will auto end after I set, and hit this to true. Okay. You can set it to, I don't know, 1 second and hit OK. And now when I hit stop, I have this dead body which I can place it, yeah, in my world everywhere I want to place it. I could now use this body again, place it over the dead body here and hit play again. And now I could, or I can, hit here, right click again, keep simulation changes, hit yes. Again, dead body animations, okay. And now I have these two bodies which laying on the ground. Yeah, that's it. See you.